Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial Raise and you are learning module in Typescript. So you have already learned about uh, module and how import and export works. But there is one more term called default exports in module in TypeScript. So what is default script? Each module can optionally export and default export. Default exports are marked with the keyword default and there can only be one default. So remember uh, in one page there can be only one default module. You cannot have more than one default module, but apart from that default module you can have as many as other modules also. Default exports are imported using different import form. So default exports are really handy. For instance, a library like Java jQuery might have a default export of jQuery or dollar, which will probably also import under the name of the dollar jQuery. For example, declare late jQuery and export default this. And now we will import it dollar from jQuery. So that was the theory part. Now let's see the practical example. So in this same example that we have covered in the last video, we can write here class. So rather than and remember the main difference between default export and export is that in normal export you can write this export in a separate file. So the benefit is that it can be renamed as sc. So rather than we can provide here short name, but in case of default export which you cannot use like this, just so you don't have option to write a short name of the module. So you will have to write here class first export default class, and then in this file you will write like this. Okay, so what did you see the difference in a normal export and default export? In default export you will have to write in the class or interface name before name only. You cannot write like this, so you don't have option to rename it. But in normal module you have option to rename it like this. And also one major difference in import is that here you don't have to provide curly braces. You don't have to provide curly braces like this. So simply just remove this and just write name here and it will work. So hope you understand the. Thanks for watching and see you in other chapter or other course. Okay, so hope you like this video. Don't forget to share and also don't forget to subscribe this video. And if you have any your opinion, please don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching.